Hello and welcome to the first practical video of AutoCAD series. Without any wasting of time, let's start. So when you start AutoCAD for the first time, you will see this window, which is called welcoming window, and it has two main parts. First is this column, and the second is this part. Uh, when you want to open a new file and start to drawing, or even you want to work on your previous files, you should use this part. We have open here, and you can click on it and open one of your previous project. And also we have some other options here. For example, you can open a sheet or open some samples. For example, let's see this one. These are some of the components that you can use in your project. These are provided by Autodesk, which are very handy and useful. For example, in kitchen, you can have a sink, oven, refrigerator. You can use it in your own project. And also, if you want to make a new file, you can hit this button, and also it has some other options. There are different ways that you can make a new file. For example, you can hit this button and also this uh, plus button here, or you can make a new file from this way. Uh, This one is some of your recent file, which is shown here. These are the project that you previously worked on, so you can easily open them and continue working. And some of the other options here are, for example, learning some tutorials, which is provided by Autodesk. You can explore them. They are kind of helpful, but sometimes they are a bit fast and are not suitable for beginners. And also, you have online helps here, what's new, community forum, and AutoCAD web app and mobile app, and also customer support. So you can easily be in contact with Autodesk. So let's start our project. Uh, I try to make a new file from here. When I hit this button, a new file appears, and its name is automatically drawing one, which is shown here. And if you press this button again and again, you are going to have different files, and the names are drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can easily close them from here. So this is the AutoCAD 2024 interface. So the question is, what is the interface? The interface of a software is all of the component that we use to make our drawing or our design. For example, here we have some options, some tools, and we have this big area which is called drawing space. These are the uh, structure that the Autodesk or the developer of a software provide for user that they can interact with the software. So let's first easily and quickly just describe the interface of the AutoCAD. Here we have some of the tools that we normally use for opening a file, printing, saving, and other handy tools that we will describe in the future. Here we have the name of our files, and this is the help center that you can get help from Autodesk about all of the tools, and I will describe it further. Here, this part, which includes all of the uh, tools that we basically use, called a ribbon. This part is ribbon. Here is a starting area or welcoming window that we described it, and here is our current file window. This is called a view cube, and this is a navigation tools. Here we have our UCS, which shows that we are right now in the 2D space. And this is our modeling space, which is our current space. And these are our paper space. We also have a status bar here. And also we have very important tools here called command line. We have write down the name of any command that we use in AutoCAD. For example, uh, let's try line, and I can easily make a line here. Let's delete it. We have all of these commands here. For example, line is here, and we have access to these comments here, and also we can write down the name of it. But most of the professional AutoCAD users use command line for tools because it's more handy, easy, and faster than using these tools here. At the beginning, you may think that it's difficult writing down all the name of all tools, but you will get used to it, I'm sure. So just the only thing is this large space, which is called drawing space, and we make all of our drawings here. And this is the most important part. And what else? Yeah, that's it. This is the interface of AutoCAD, or user interface of the AutoCAD, and we do all of our drawing in this space, and all of these tools and components are part of the AutoCAD user interface. So see you in the next lesson.